what's up everyone, it's David here. I've got the EE Smart Hub, Wi-Fi 6, and I'm going to be unboxing it. Okay, so before I get into this, I'd like to mention there is a Wi-Fi 7. I haven't got it, but this is what EE sent me out anyway, so still going to be unboxing it. Packaging is very plain. Produced with the planet in mind. Okay. Okay, so we've got a standard leaflet here. So I'll just pull it out. And it's basically got a step-by-step, plug in. Well, everyone knows how to plug in and play. And all the information there. Just fold it back up now. So let's get the Smart Hub out. So BT are replacing the BT brand in homes with the EE. So that's why I've got an EE Smart Hub. RJ45 cat cable. And on the other side, the power supply. Yeah. Standard, but they've removed the removable 3-pin, so it's now stuck with it. So anyway, okay, so let's actually get to the Smart Hub itself, Smart Hub Pro. Okay, so it's all black design. I like to mention it is slightly bigger than the previous Smart Hub 2 I've had for the past 5 years. And on the back, I like to mention, unlike the BT Smart Hub 2, it's got its own independent WAN, so you won't have to lose a Ethernet port on the back, which is really good. We've got the phone input for your analog phone, converted to digital signal. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 gigabit ports, the 1 gigabit, and you got your 2.5 WAN. You've got your USB 3.0, you've got your power jack, and you've got your reset, as well as your on-off clicker. Click, click. And on the side, you've got your WPS button, also known as WESP. So I'd say that opens a 2-minute window on your security encryption for your hardware to get through. On the back, also, that's your pass to get in for your security information. My eyes only. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like always, see you out there.